lang.
No, ay kanina lang mana.
Oh, wala bago. Mali. Siniri. Mali kag hairstyle. Oh, so nice. This is futuristic no. Kita ko din mo.
Why did the goblin has a word?
Jigs iPhone.
Clear naman ang goblin word,
Kana
no?
siya.
But goblin has a word.
Say hello.
Times turn just like the tide.
Say hello now.
Balik.
Who you are,
I want upside down, please.
they lead you back in your hometown before they blow it to the ground.
Upside down daw, make it upside down.
Shiri is such a cutie. Cutie si Shiri. Asa man si Chami? Kuya, asa si Chami?
Wala kay Grace dito.
Shiri.
Naong ni mo. Naong mo na tawag dito.
Si Lola Nit.
Password mo na. Password ko rin. Pero magpunta ka kuya. Pero 15 na siya. Safety ganun kasi.
Wow.
Safety po ito now. Si Liam ako.
Come on. Builder?
Kanagi si Kulot Idol din yung si Liam.
Yeah. Dapat you need many walls and meron like that gusto mo patay o one wall. Dapat village dapat. Yeah, many walls and then there's a bomb one and then like
Gusto ko sa tikas mo rin. Trabaho mo. Yan ka muna din.
What is he dreaming, Mary?
Maybe he's dreaming about someone is tickling him.
I think he's dreaming about Meow Meow.
Maybe he's dreaming about other babies are kissing him.
Maybe. Maybe he's dreaming about milk.
Maybe he's dreaming about his he would become very fat.
I think he will smile again.
Stretch na naman. Mayroon pa dyan pocket here. Mayroon pa dyan papa.
She will sing now. She will sing. Don't sing. Why don't you sing?
Alice ko.
The name of the baby sibling?
No, the name of the dog is Alice Go.
Oh, I thought the
Look
name.
at the baby sibling.
Alice Go is the name of your baby sister.
No, that one, but the one what you give Alice Go. Go.
Liam is smiling again. Baby Liam.
Ouch. Well, hello, baby
Mary is a monster.
Fast lang. Tita Yasel. In there. Goodbye. Can you see me or not? No, the one I was.
I think so.
There. Can I try to?
Save that, save for the rainbow.
Babay ni Rin. Diri na lang katulog.
Uy, thank you for the gift. 200. 300. Uy.
Diri na lang katulog.
You want to sleep here?
Tomorrow.
Let's sleep here.
Pag may baby ka na na,
You want?
Where's your bag?
sleeping lulo.
And then we'll play, and then we'll TikTok.
Bye.
Can we take picture with baby sibling and baby Roxandra?
Yeah, soon. Once baby Alice Go comes out.
Ah!
Diba Alice Go is the name of your baby sister?
No, it's not. It's the dog, the one what you give ba?
Alice Go. Alice Go babies is the baby sister of Mary.
No.
I know pala Rosie.
No. No name, man.
Ako ah. Ako ah.